Hello. Today we're going to be talking about main idea, topic sentence, and supporting details. I cannot stress enough what a crucial, critical, important skill this is. It affects everything you read. If you cannot identify the main idea of an article or a chapter or a paragraph, then you're not going to understand what you read. So that's very important in this class, in all of your other classes, and in your daily life. If you read a newspaper article and you cannot identify what that article is about, then you're not going to understand anything. So please pay close attention. As we go through, I want you to have your handouts in front of you. They will be exactly like the ones that are showing on the screen, but you can make notes. You can write questions that you can contact me later, and we will answer the questions. So have them in front of you before you start the video. But please pay close attention, and this is just such a critical skill. You can view this video as many times as you want until you grasp how to identify the main idea, topic, sentence, and supporting details. We are going to break each one down and show you how they're related and how you can identify them in isolation. So here we go. Grasping the main idea. Of course, you know that a paragraph is a group of sentences related to a particular topic or central theme. Every paragraph, let me say that again, every paragraph has a key concept or main idea. This is the most important piece of the information the author wants you to know main idea in that paragraph. So when they have an idea in mind, they're going to organize their paragraphs, go through according to the main idea. And each paragraph is going to support the questions that you should ask yourself when identifying the main idea, the topic, sentence, and the supporting can be at the beginning, the middle, or the end. Your handout. It doesn't matter. That's labeled examples of places, and we're going to give you some main ideas. Have that in front of you. The topic sentence, so again, announces the general theme and write down any to be dealt with in that paragraph. Although the topic sentence, as we said, can appear anywhere, this sentence is the focus. Okay, we're going to read this paragraph. Writer while writing for the reader while reading main idea. When you find the topic sentence, what you're able to be sure to underline from the information so that it will stand out not only for now, this is what you but also for later when you're reviewing independently. So the main idea is what the author wants you to know. No books, what the author is organizing his entire paragraph around. Proctors, the topic sentence expresses that main idea. Anyone caught cheating, so it tells you what that main idea is or her test. So that's how those two are related. The incident will be reported to the proper authority. At the end of the test period, a paragraph's topic is the subject of the paragraph. Failure to abide by these rules that paragraph is a failing grade. Finding the topic of a paragraph is the first step if it's a short in finding out what the paragraph is trying to say in isolation. And I've done this for you in this. Finding the topic of the paragraph, and I wrote, is the first step in finding out what the paragraph is trying to say to helps you. A simple question more clearly that will help you find what the topic of a paragraph would be. The topic sentence. Who or what is this paragraph about? Well, and that answer, if you look at them, will give you the paragraph's topic. As first sentence, and the topic sentence does what? It tells you what the paragraph is about, or the main idea. That is your topic sentence. Let's go through some of this main idea. Again, if you remember, the topic paragraph focuses on one main idea. The main
idea of the
what
paragraph
the author
is the
wants
one
you to
thought
know
the writer
that
wants
in
you
this
to
paragraph,
understand
what he's trying to tell
and
you.
remember.
Who or what is this
A
paragraph
good way
about?
to achieve paragraph unity
So we've gotten
is to
our
state
topic
the main
sentence,
idea in
what can
one
be concluded
sentence.
from the information,
The topic
that if you
sentence.
do not follow the rules,
and then
you will
relate
automatically
all
fail
of the
the
other
test.
sentences
All
in
the
the
other
paragraph
sentences
to
are
that
talking
main
about that,
idea.
are relating to
It's
that
like the
topic
thesis
sentence
for an essay.
and the overall
The
idea
topic
that if you do
sentence
not follow
includes
the
a
rules,
topic
you will fail
and a
the
comment
test.
on that
It's as
topic.
simple as that.
The main idea
So,
can be found
let's look
at
the
the
next
beginning of the paragraph, the
Each
middle
year,
of the
thousands
paragraph,
of people are
or
bitten
at
by
the end
snakes.
of the
Ugh.
paragraph.
Several
But
steps
you just
should
need
be
to
taken
remember
if you are a victim
that
of a snake bite.
all that
First,
topic
keep
sentence is
still
doing
and warm.
is telling
Next,
you the
remove
main
rings and
idea
tight clothing.
of the entire
Wrap a
paragraph,
bandage
what the author
above the
wants
snake
you
bite,
to know.
but do not
And
apply
then
a
all
tourniquet,
of the other
as
sentences
this may cut off
are
blood
relating
circulation.
to
Also,
that one
do not
topic
try to remove
sentence.
snake venom
Okay,
from
if
the
you
snake
remember
bite
that,
hole.
you will
Finally,
be able to
seek
choose
medical
the topic
attention
sentences
as soon as
the main
possible.
idea of any
So the
paragraph
topic
that
of this
you read.
paragraph
Let's just
is
use an example.
snake bites,
It can be at the beginning
wrapping a bandage,
of a paragraph.
or blood circulation.
Here's in the first
Well,
sentence.
let's look at
in
it.
the
Let's-
United
let's
States,
go through the steps
circumstances
you should go
often
through
force people
when you are
to live
identifying
alone. That
the
sentence is the
topic of
main
the paragraph.
idea. And it's
Of course,
the
first
main
choice,
idea
snake
is
bites,
stated
is
in
the
the
topic,
what?
because the
Topic
entire
sentence.
paragraph
And if you will
is
read this
about snake
paragraph
bites.
on your own,
The second
you will
choice,
see that every other
bandages,
sentence in this paragraph
is not
supports
the topic,
and relates
although
to
wrapping a
that
bandage
one
is
topic
mentioned in the
sentence.
paragraph.
Okay?
The entire paragraph
it can
is
also
not
come
about
as the
wrapping
last
a bandage.
sentence.
Is
And
just
again,
one
you can read
point
this paragraph
that's mentioned
and know
in the paragraph.
that every sentence
third
in this
choice,
paragraph,
blood
although they come
circulation,
before that
is
last
not
sentence,
the
they
topic.
support that
Although
last
blood
sentence.
circulation is mentioned in the
It
paragraph,
could also come at the beginning
entire
and be
paragraph
restated
is
at
not
the end.
about blood circulation.
But all the other
Only.
sentences
It's just
in
another
between
point
state
that's mentioned
are
in the
relate
overall
to
topic
those
and
two
main
sentences.
idea,
And it can
of
also
snake
come in the
bites.
middle.
Is it making sense?
But once you
Better
can
sense do
identify
you know
that,
how to
you will have
determine?
no problems.
Now, you should ask
Now,
yourself, okay,
supporting details.
I know the topic
Supporting
is snake bites,
details are
but
evidence
what is the
and
whole
proof
paragraph
that the
trying to
author
tell
gives
me
support and
about
proof
snake
to prove
bites?
the topic
This
sentence.
question
That's
would
all a
lead
supporting
you to the
detail
topic
is. The way the
sentence,
author
which is the
proves
sentence that lets you know
that
what
topic
point
sentence
the
to
whole
the reader.
paragraph
They're
is
divided
trying to
into
get across
two
to you, the
categories.
reader.
Your major
Look
supporting
back at the
details
paragraph
and
about
your
snake
minor
bites.
supporting
The
details.
paragraph is
Your
actually
major
giving
supporting
steps on
details
what to do
offer new
in
pieces
case
of
you are
information
bitten by a
that the
snake.
author provides.
So sentence
to
number
prove
2,
that topic sentence.
several steps
There
should
some
be
key
taken
words
if you are a
that
victim
will help you
of snake
identify
bites.
whether it's
Is
a
the
major
topic
detail
sentence of the
or a
paragraph,
minor detail.
because it announces
Also,
the topic
furthermore,
and tells us what the paragraph is going to
one,
be about.
finally,
Let's look at sentence number
another.
2.
You know, you could put
Several
these in a
steps
silly sentence
should be
and say,
taken
well,
if you
also,
are a victim
furthermore,
of a snake
first
bite.
one, finally another. That's
Okay.
a silly
Now,
sentence. Also,
it's
furthermore,
certainly
first
not
one,
each year thousands
finally
of people
another.
are bitten by snakes.
It'll help you
That's
remember
a
that.
point.
When you see those
But
words,
the whole
that means
paragraph's
whoops,
about what
that's
to
a major
do
detail.
if you are
Now, a
bitten
minor
by a
detail.
snake.
They
So,
are more
the topic
of
sentence
additional
would be
information,
several
not new
steps
information.
should be
additional
taken if you are a
information
victim of a
that
snake
the
bite.
author gives
A
about
key
something
or
that's
clue
already been
would be
mentioned.
first,
So it's no new
next.
information. So that's
so
a
those
minor
are keywords
detail.
that you look for when you're
Keywords
trying to determine
for
the
minor
topic
details,
of topic
that
sentence
is,
of a paragraph.
for example, this means
Okay,
to be
let's look at the
specific.
last one.
If you see any of those,
There's an
you
old
know,
saying
whoops,
that goes,
that's a
if you
signal.
want
It's a
friends,
minor
you have
detail.
to be a
Again,
friend.
you can make a
This
silly
is easier
sentence.
said
That
than
is,
done,
for example,
but there are ways to
this
be
means to
a
be
good
specific.
friend. First,
silly or
remember
any
to be
way that you can
reliable.
come up
Being
with a
there when
mnemonic
you're needed,
device
for example,
to
to give a
remember
ride to
these
school,
words. It will
or
help
offering
you
to
when
feed a
identifying
cat while
major
someone is
and
away
minor
shows that you're
details.
reliable.
There's some graphic
Additionally,
organizers
you should
too,
be trustworthy.
that I have
Keeping
for
secrets
you, and these
shows
are
you
also
can be
in your
trusted, and you will ensure
handouts
you're
for
a
this
good
week.
friend.
This is a
Finally,
stool
It's important
Here,
to have a good
the
sense
top
of
of the
humor.
stool,
The seat
being able
is
to
your
laugh
main
at yourself
idea,
and the
topic
silly
sentence
things
that happen
The
in
supporting
life
details
will make you the kind
are the
of
legs
person
of the
people
stool. They
want
have to
for a
support
friend.
the
The
seat
topic
or
of
the
this
main
paragraph
idea.
is
That helps you
trustworthiness,
use it.
reliability.
Here is
a
kind
good
of like a
friend.
tire and the
Well, this
spokes
first
in a
choice,
wheel. Shouldn't say
trustworthiness,
tire.
is just one of the
Wheel.
points being
In the
made
middle,
about being
hubcap,
a friend. But
is
the
your
whole
topic,
paragraph
your main idea.
is not about just
Here, the
trustworthiness.
spokes
So that
are your
can't be the
supporting
topic.
details.
The second
That
choice,
can maybe help you give a
reliability,
picture
is
of your
also
main
just
idea and supporting
one of the
details and
points
how they
being
relate to
made.
each other.
So it also
That helps you
couldn't
draw
be the
one,
topic.
and when you
It's
do
a
a paragraph,
but it's not
try
the
to
whole
put your main
paragraph
idea
isn't
with your
about
supporting details and see if
reliability.
they make sense.
The third choice,
Try this,
a good friend,
and I think you will find it
is the
very
topic,
helpful.
because
if you
the
have any
paragraph
questions,
is about
please let me
being
know,
a good
and we will
friend.
clarify anything
Are you
and
beginning to
answer
see
any
how
questions
you
that you
can
may have. Our next
differentiate
video will be
between
on
the
some
topic
examples
and then the
giving
points
you
or
some
the supporting
practice and
details
the
about the
procedure that you
topic?
need to go through when determining
Now,
your main idea.
you should
topic
say to yourself,
sentences,
okay,
and supporting details.
I know that the
Thank
topic
you,
is a good
and I will
friend,
see you the
but
next
what
video.
is the whole paragraph trying to tell me about a good friend? This question will lead you to the topic sentence, which is the sentence that lets you know what point the whole paragraph is trying to get across to you, the reader. Look back at the paragraph about a good friend. The paragraph is actually telling you how to be a good friend. So sentence number 2, but there are ways to be a good friend, is the topic sentence of the paragraph, because it announces the topic and it tells us what the paragraph is going to be about. This is easier said than done, but there are ways to be a good friend. That is your topic sentence. Not if you want friends, you have to be a friend, but there are ways to be a good friend. And again, some clues are first, additionally, and finally. These are telling you these are ways to be a good friend. So I hope this helps you in learning the procedure for determining what is the topic, what is the topic sentence, and then the main idea. And then you look at the supporting details. And remember, the supporting details do nothing more than relate or give more and new information about the topic and the topic sentence. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you.